Today, we're here with you in the Duveneck neighborhood of Palo Alto at our newest listing, 555 Hilbar Lane. This beautiful home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, almost 1,400 square feet of living space. Eddie, why don't you tell us a little bit more?
First of all, I think it's a great opportunity for any buyer out there or investor, right? There's something about Palo Alto, there's something in the air that you can smell. It's the entrepreneurship. All these big companies came from Palo Alto, and I can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour. Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a great opportunity right here in Palo Alto. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Jordan, what do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, Eddie and I are here as a resource for you, whether it be this property or any other property in the Silicon Valley. And just as a friendly reminder, we're never too busy for your referrals.